working, but kind of, well, I try to not to go out on New Year's Day, because I kind of usually I hope to recover from whatever I've done the night before to begin with. But it's also kind of a day. It's the first day of the year. Everything's fresh. Everything's new. So I do a lot of thinking and reading and just stuff that kind of I normally wouldn't have time for, because kind of for once I don't have to run to work. For once I can stay at home in peace and quiet.
So
and
if you
want to do something different. Extraordinary that somebody's got to try and get this under control.
It is, and I'm very relieved that the military has been called in. I hope that the government calls the military in their full force, because there are firefighter units within the military which haven't been called to be used at this time so far.
Yeah.
To assist with the firefighters.
That's January.
At Bristol Street Motors, we're turning the way.
They don't come any more smooth than Sade. 20 minutes to 10. So we're just at the cusp of a brand new year and a brand new decade, with 2020 just in touching distance now. It's got a good ring to it. Let's hope it's good for all of us. Don't you? Let's have a big embrace here. No, seriously. Let's hope 2020 promises lots of good things. We'll see. It's definitely going to sound pretty good here.
Just come up from Man United, Ray.
Well, unbelievable.
You have a look at this, right? United fans are talking about, but for neutrals, you may not. What a run they've got coming here.
Obviously, they've got cup games in between that as well. We've got the EFL Cup as well, Carabao Cup.
Yeah.
It's Man City as well, Al. So the run of games they've got is
in the Premier League
is going to be hard graft. But again, they can get a good result.
Which we try and do ourselves, with.
It's over!
I am
a few pounds.
पुराने साल से मुलाकात होगी कि नवे साल से ठीक हो तुसी
बहुत याद थी कहानी सारा टाइम मिल रहा
could come and be with us right here in Kennedy, South Carolina, for the Passover, which will come up here very soon in the new year. Oh yes, we will gather here.
जी ठीक हो थोड़ी लाइन तुसी थोड़ा हाथ लग गया मैं कब दोबारा बुला लेना कोई गल नहीं आप जी मैंने दोबारा प्लीज कॉल कर
Now for the daily service, it's led this morning by Becky Silver.
Good morning. As an English teacher, I enjoy discovering the origin of words. Did you know the cappuccino you may be enjoying right now is called after a group of Italian monks, the Capuchin, whose robes are the colour of coffee? And maybe we'd think twice about taking out a mortgage if we knew the word came from the Old French, the death pledge. The word orienteering, navigating a way across unfamiliar terrain, comes originally from Orient, the East. The meaning has its roots in a time when places of worship had to face east or be orientated towards Jerusalem. The practice isn't always used now, but I find helpful the image of orientating myself towards God each morning to help navigate the unknown terrain of the day ahead, asking him to be both my map and God.
क्या बात है जीव दे रहे
डॉक्टर साहब ना थोड़ी सोच
Well, but it took him so long to climb.
Later, in an ITN program, Megan confessed that it had been a struggle becoming a new mother and she'd felt vulnerable, especially because of the media spotlight.
Thank you for asking, because not many people have asked if I'm okay.
And the answer is, would it be fair to say not really? Okay?
Yes.
The documentary also had Prince Harry acknowledging the continuing rumours of divisions between him and his brother William. He admitted they weren't as close as they used to be, but played down suggestions of a rift. This all came at the end of a highly successful visit to Africa, and rather overshadowed the young couple's achievements. But it was nothing compared with what followed in November, when Prince Andrew spoke to the BBC about his relationship with the disgraced financier, Jeffrey Epstein.
Not something that was becoming of a member of the royal family, and we try and uphold the highest standards and practices, and I let the side down.
The Prince was hoping the interview would draw a line under the controversy. However, he faced a wave of criticism for not showing remorse for the association or sympathy for the victims involved. Among them was Virginia Roberts, now Giuffre, who claimed in court papers in Florida that she'd been forced to have sex with Andrew when she was 17, below the state's age of consent. Prince Andrew denies this.
He knows what happened. I know what happened. There's only one truth, and I know that's me.
There are now calls for him to become a witness in any future legal proceedings in the U.S. Publicity forced Andrew to step back from his royal duties for the foreseeable future and to resign from his many patronages, an unprecedented move. The Queen herself was at the centre of a row when Boris Johnson...
Sneering at Clark Kent. To me.
BC has used his New Year's message to rally his party. Tony Blair's used his to say Corbyn's Labour hasn't worked. Whose side are you on, if either?
Ian Payne on LBC.
If you started...
Let me say, yeah, that I mean. She can get a taste. She can get a taste. What a nigga say. It's all the same like Mary Kate.